Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Hedera. We're going to do a full update here. We'll zoom out. We'll do some sort of a high time frame technical analysis, and then we'll zoom in as well. And we'll talk about some of the opportunities and some of the possibilities here for Hedera, which, well, I mean, it's holding fairly well after we dropped down the 11th of March. So for the last 10 days, we've been consolidating nicely, but obviously this is not what we want. We want to get some sort of a bullish breakthrough, or at least some sort of some sort of positive price action, and we haven't really seen that for some time. I mean, like I said, if you zoom in here, what you'll see is that buyers and sellers have found some sort of a fair price, aka we've started to consolidate around 19.2 cents. That's where the POC is. That's where most of the volume is traded. We try to get to the main resistance level we have to break above right here around 20 cents, a little bit higher with the bullish momentum we had on Wednesday. But that's unfortunately, I mean, that bullish momentum came nowhere. As you can see from Bitcoin right here, it turned into a fake out, and ever since, Hedera has dropped back down to the bottom of the range. Now, that doesn't necessarily have to be the end of the world, and you can also see there are some bullish divergences here for Hedera. So that's pretty good, all right? We actually do have some things telling us that we can have a bullish breakout. But the thing is that, and that's, I think, the main problem for Hedera, is that there just is a lack of specific momentum for Hedera right now, all right? Every time that Hedera has been strong in the past, it has either been because of some sort of a fundamental reason, for example, that US crypto projects did very, very well, or it's been for some sort of a reason that we had, you know, that the markets were quite strong and that Hedera itself actually gains quite a lot of leverage and volume. And unfortunately, the situation right now is that, you know, Hedera, like I said, like we could have already seen from the price, is very flat. And then you take a look at the volume and you can see these ups and downs in volume, but the volume overall at $200 million is in a massive downtrend, especially if you look over the last month. But also if you take a look at the last year, and then especially on the last couple of months, the volume has dropped down a lot, and the open interest right here is also flat. So what that means is that, you know, I see no reason right now why we should expect Hedera to drop down lower. We still have, like I said, if you zoom out, we still have some major support right here between 17.5 and 18.5 cents, and we're not even testing the strongest support levels at 18 and 17.5 cents that often. So we have a bit of a buffer. And I also do not expect Bitcoin to all of a sudden crash. However, I see absolutely no indication right now for Hedera that we're going to get a bullish breakout or a bullish reclaim, whatever you want to call it, and that we can get some more bullish momentum up to 21.5 and 22.5 cents, which are some price targets a bit higher. And that's ultimately what we want. So I will keep you updated if we actually do see something like that coming up, and if we actually do see some sort of strength coming into the price of Hedera. But for now, I'll have to tell you that I think we're going to be able to hold this consolidation range, and I think we'll be able to get back up to 20 cents, 19.8 cents. But for now, I think it's most likely that from there, unless Bitcoin turns very, very strong, I think from there we will reject back down. And if we do not find strength soon, within the next month or so, then I also have to say that I think it's more likely that we're going to look for lower lows instead of higher highs. But that is something I'll keep you updated on. In general, if some sort of a breakout is starting to look more and more feasible, more and more likely, I will let you know. But this is what you need to know for now. All right, so thank you for watching. Take care and bye.